This video will demonstrate how to set up the integrations for your Kashflow clients. First, you will need to access your account settings. Do this by clicking on the account name at the top right of the screen and selecting Settings. Once in the settings, click on Categories and Integrations. Select your client from the drop-down. What is displayed below the drop-down will depend on the client selected. Since we have selected a Kashflow client, we see the Kashflow integration screen. To set up the integration, you need to enter the client's username and password for their Kashflow account. Please make sure you enter your client's credentials here and not your own Orbit account's credentials. You have several integration options to consider before connecting to Kashflow. Ticking the Post to Kashflow as Paid box will send everything to Kashflow as paid by default. Ticking the Automatically Sync box will automatically send receipts to Kashflow that are sent straight to Ready to Export in Kibo. If you would like to import the supplier names and nominal codes from Kashflow, please leave these two boxes ticked. Before you can connect to Kashflow, you will need to make sure that the API is enabled in your Kashflow account. You can do this by logging into the Kashflow account, clicking on Settings at the top right, scroll all the way to the bottom and select API Settings. Make sure the Enable box is ticked and click on Save to update. You can now return to Kibo and click on the Update Kashflow button. A confirmation screen with a list of supplier names and nominal codes that were imported will be displayed. The integration with Kashflow is now set up and you can begin sending receipts. Thank you for choosing Kibo.